so easily.
I hoped.
I'm disappointed. I took you for someone more clever, but I'm forced to see you're like everyone else.
Please stop fucking with my screen.
The silent treatment. You leave me an emotional wreck. And who knows what I'll do in such a state.
I really want to kill this guy.
What will you do now? Throw me out my game? Come on! You can do better.
Dude, I say, oh god, they're gonna send the cops. Oh, this is gonna suck. Oh, we might have to, this might have to be in a whole nother set, because this looks like it's gonna blow monkey testicles. Run away, flee. Heck. Alright. Upload. Oh, god, then I have to... Oh, really? Urgh. Right, I should probably just kneecap him. Fuck it, game's over. I don't care. I don't care. Kill them all.
Shot that chick in the ass.
I shot her in the knee. Thank you. There's cops behind me. There's cops all around me.
Check out all this control.
Alright. Oh, I'm gonna die. I hope you checkpoint after each one.
Alright.
Oh.
Trying to be sneaky.
Oh no. I neutralized that cop car that really didn't need to be neutralized. Fuck you. Peace. I'm out. Alright.
Deuces, bro.
Oh, dude. Okay, seriously. Look at my map. There's ejectives everywhere. I don't even...
No, not destroy.
Okay. Which one is which?
That one. Okay. The sent down.
Uh-huh.
That one.
You sure?
Yes.
Cripple.
They were really far away, I thought, from each other.
Them can know what it feels like to have their future taken.
Well, on your map when you moved it,
Uh-huh.
there was only one arrow pointing to one of them.
Okay. Alright, alright, alright. Guess we can give it a shot. This is hell right now. And he... Stop it!
We need to take it.
I know, GPS just keeps fucking changing, man. I can't move.
Stop your vehicle now. Dude, my vehicle is stopped.
My vehicle doesn't have a door.
Thank you for turning me around, police officer.
I don't know what I'm doing. GPS just keeps changing. I don't know where to go.
What do you mean?
Okay. The arrow keeps pointing to this one. But then it points to this one. It points to this one. It's pointing to all of them.
No, it's just pointing to random ones.
Oh.
Go to that, because that one's the only one that's stationary.
Alright, we'll go to this one. If I can... Ow. Alright, around the blockers. Alright, that'll buy me at least a little bit of time. This is fucking ridiculous. Oh, you're a piece of shit. And I can't hack it. I literally have no hacking ability right now. I need another car is what I fucking need. Fuck your cars. Fuck you're all pieces of sh... Fuck you, Damien. Yeah, he is. This guy's an asshole.
Oh, traffic light.
Oh yeah, the traffic light will stop me. Steam pipe might... If I could escape the cops, this would be a way easier process.
This is fun.
But I can't see.
I booked a trip to Red London, England next. Wanna come along?
Fuck you, Damien. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. We're almost out of the circle. We're almost out of the circle. That's a van.
A patrol SUV's been dispatched after the suspect.
Alright. We've dodged the cops. For now. I am, I got it. Okay. Hopefully this is one of them. Alright. And of course, so do I have any
That's the great thing about viruses.
jammers? Alright, that'll buy me at least a little bit of time. Oh my god, dude, look at all the circles. Holy, nope, jam it. I've got fucking 3 of them. There's no way I'm escaping here, though. Holy fuck, dude. Alright, 3, 4, 6, jam. Okay.
Don't go to the same car.
I'm not going to the same car. What, I'm gonna get away in a van? Fuck it, we're getting away in the van.
I see what you're doing.
Alright, I'm out of jammers. I got any more comms? I can make more. Alright. Alright, we got this. We'll be okay. No, we're not. We're not okay anymore. We are less than okay.
Chicken banded this little gambit, but
Okay, do you have any fucking idea which one would be the last one?
Go up again. I would say that one.
Alright, let's let the map come down and then we'll see what's still around.
That one.
This
That's
one?
the only one.
Okay. Fuck it, we're going for it. We're gonna gun it.
well, have at it.
Alright, come on, we can do this. We can do that. I'm running in a van.
You got this, bro.
I can't move. Okay, there we go. Moving again. We're moving. Slowly. God, I can't wait till I can shut off the whole fucking city.
See how smart this
The van's actually a lot heavier,
anticipates a problem.
so the van actually... Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. There we go, 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 there we go. Oh, run the way, run the way, run the way. Door! We're taking a shortcut. Fuck you! Open the door, open the door, open the door, open the door, door, open. Ah!
How'd
Cop!
you get in?
I wasn't prepared for that. Blockers. This is annoying, to say the least. And I've now gone the wrong direction. I think my van is smoking. My van's on fire. My van's on fire. I can't get out of it, and I died.
Wow. That sucked, dude. There was so many cops.
You know, when you get to a boss fight, and you just, you know when you fight Shao Kahn, and you just feel like it's unfair? That's what this feels like. I feel like I'm being Shao Kahn'd right now. Give me your... Ooh. Give me your car, sir.
You have to start it all over.
I don't think so.
Uh,
Trace the true locations with the glitches.
It's that one.
This one? Yeah.
Damien's screwing with the navigation. He's trying to
Or maybe I do have to start all of them.
one location at a time.
If so, then I'm just gonna fucking be done with this video. I need those... Jam! Nope, they caught me. That's better. Awesome.
You have a blackout?
Maybe? Yep. Black it out. Whew. Don't know why I didn't think of that in the first place. Oh.
Really?
Oh shit, how do I get the door open without the fucking CTOS up and running? Oh, this is... I've complicated my life. Why, Caleb? Flee. Flee. Parkour. Parkour. Parkour some more. Okay. I think the only ones that are the real ones are the ones that actually say hack. That's the whole key. Is you're supposed to look for the ones that say hack on them still.
Blackout, blackout.
Okay. Black it out.
See how smart this network is? It anticipates a problem. You.
Blacking it out might have fucked me though. Up, okay, alright. Back a gun. Fuck the chopper. Alright. Yeah, it's not uploading, so blacking it out was a bad idea. Do not even fucking care anymore. There's no achievement for full goodness or badness. Alright, connection. How's the connection lost? I'm right next to it. There we go. Alright, uploading virus. Alright. Come on. I don't see the ones that say hack. So I think this is the last one. I think it checkpointed. Really? 78, 89, 90. Zip, ba-doop. Lose any pursuers before hack. You motherfuckers. Alright, we're going up this side.
Take the subway.
Now.
Take the little blue car.
I'm taking the... They told me I was picking up a little blue car. They didn't say anything about a little blue man. That's the second time I've quoted that in 2 days. Ah! Excuse me, guys. I need to go this direction. Yay, I have control again. Thank God. Wait for it. Wait for it. Now.
Patrol car in pursuit of suspect.
Oh! Shit. Hold on, everybody. Stuff's about to get nuts. Ow! I think they shot out my tires. Urgh. There are so many cops.
Throw up the blockers.
I will, if I can get through it in time. Oh, wait for it. Neutralize. Alright, I think that will have bought me a way around the cars. I gotta dodge this fucking chopper now. We're just going straight. We're just gonna go straight and try and gun it. We got this. We got this. We got this. Going, running, fleeing quickly. Alright, there's the end of the circle. Right there.
I'm not even joking. I'm so into this right now.
I am tense as fuck.
My thumbs are twitching.
Escape successful.
Just like,
Okay, so now where are we going? This mission's long as fuck.
Your viruses are in.
All right, we're in it now. You head
Back to the weak point? Okay.
right where we started. That'll open up for you like a lady's.
But-
Never mind. You'll have a clear line to the satellite, and that's what's important.
Okay, clear line to the satellite. You say that's the safety valve?
And a little more. Once you're inside, you lights out, Aiden. And if we're lucky, and I'm as clever as our CV says, you'll get a lock on Damien's location.
That's all I want.
Alright, shut down CTOS. Let's go. Oh, look, we're only, about a block or two away. And I'm still going the wrong direction. How is this possible? Alright. We're gonna finish this goddamn game. This set's gonna be a little longer. Because I want to finish it. I want to end this.
Like a finale.
Like a finale? What, you want me to cliffhanger it and come back 2 months later?
No, do like a finale and just make it like super awesome and like make it like an hour and a half long.
That's what this is gonna be, practically. It's gonna be like a fucking hour and a half long, probably.
You didn't even have to open this door.
No, there's no door. My Prius lacks a door. Oh, I gotta go to work in less than an hour.
We got this.
I don't even have food yet. Where's the fucking Pizza Hut? Aiden, we know what you're doing.
We are dead sick.
Yeah, I know. I already fucked up default.
We know what you're doing. You're killing the lines to CTOS.
Enjoy the show.
Give us 30 seconds.
For what?
30 seconds inside CTOS. We drop in our code. Then, when the system reboots, DedSec will control the machine from inside. We will correct. what
Oh,
has been
man.
broken. 30 seconds is
I don't really want to exchange one devil for another.
No one knows our little secret?
We will be the watchdogs.
No. I'm tired of all the noise.
We will not forget this.
Good. Don't fucking forget it. Oh, nice. All the red's gone. Cool. I'm guessing this is now supremely easier. Maybe. Let's go this way first. Okay. Alright, so that runs through there, that runs through there. Run that up. That doesn't do me any good. Turn that. Ah! Butt pushes, man. Okay. That way. That way. That way. Time to turn it all off. Other camera, thank you. Where am I at? Intrude. One line? Awesome. Oh, this is gonna be sweet.
A link to a satellite. From here, T-Bone's virus will reboot the entire system.
This is gonna be awesome.
Damien. I'm gonna find him.
I'm at half mast right now.
My God.
Whoa. We just turned off Chicago. And I just made a lot of money for some reason. Like, a lot of money. Use a boat to reach Damien. The fuck?
The fuck is this?
Can I borrow your car, sir? Thank you. I need your smart car. Where the fuck's Damien? He's out there? Alright, well then we'll set a point for here.